In a world ruled by Swiss giants, Memorigin from Hong Kong dared to break the rules. Tourbillons, superheroes, legends. This is no ordinary watch brand. How did they rise to challenge centuries of tradition? Keep watching to find out. Let's say you first encountered a Memorigin watch in a dimly lit showroom tucked away in the bustling streets of Hong Kong. At first glance, you'd likely find it mesmerizing. A tiny world of spinning gears encased in sapphire crystal. But this isn't just a watch, it's something more. A story, ticking with purpose and alive with an unmistakable energy. Unlike the familiar names of Swiss giants, this watch bore a name I had never heard of before, Memorigin. The story begins in 2011, in the vibrant heart of Hong Kong. A group of watchmakers dared to challenge the norms of luxury horology. Why should tourbillons, the pinnacle of mechanical craftsmanship, remain the domain of the ultra-rich and the Swiss? They believed in something revolutionary, that beauty and precision could be crafted in unexpected places. And so, Memorigin was born, not in the shadow of tradition, but in the light of innovation. Let's say walking through their workshop feels less like visiting a factory and more like stepping into an artist's sanctuary. You see watchmakers, heads bowed in concentration, meticulously assembling movements that vibrated at 28,800 beats per hour, with an impressive 80-hour power reserve. There was no Swiss outsourcing here, no borrowed expertise, just pure ingenuity from Hong Kong, a city brimming with creative energy. Their leap onto the global stage was even bolder. Imagine holding a watch emblazoned with Darth Vader's menacing silhouette, or the iconic bat signal. The Star Wars series and Batman Tourbillon are not just accessories, they are declarations. They say, luxury can be playful, horology can embrace pop culture. The Iron Man Tourbillon, a marvel in itself, merges high-tech fantasy with precision craftsmanship, creating a timepiece that feels both modern and timeless. Each Memorigin watch feels alive. Through sapphire crystal cases, you see the hypnotic dance of the tourbillon take center stage, defying gravity with its intricate choreography of gears and balance wheels. The artistry doesn't end there. Hand-polished stainless steel, anti-reflective coatings, and designs like the Hong Kong tourbillon honor the brand's roots, blending the city's iconic skyline with cultural motifs that resonate deeply. Of course, Memorigin's journey hasn't been without challenges. Competing with centuries-old Swiss titans is like scaling Everest without a map. Skeptics scoffed, and purists rolled their eyes. But Memorigin embraced the challenge, weaving cultural depth and technical brilliance into their timepieces. They proved that innovation isn't bound by geography or tradition. It's fueled by vision and determination. Memorigin watches aren't just instruments of time. They are bridges between worlds. They connect East and West, tradition and innovation, the past and the future. Whether inspired by ancient legends or modern superheroes, each timepiece tells a story. As the tourbillon spins, it reminds us that extraordinary things often come from the most unexpected places. Memorigin's journey has just begun, and the world of horology is taking notice.